This is Unit 3, Target 2. I can tell which nets form cylinders, prisms, and pyramids. The definition of a net is a connected arrangement of polygons in a plane that can be folded up to form one of our prisms or one of our pyramids that I talked about in the first one. If we start here with this, we have 6 sides here, and if we look at these, we have 6 squares. These will fold together, and one of the things when you're checking these, you need to make sure they have the right number of surfaces, as we talked about surfaces in the first one. This will fold together to be a cube. There are different arrangements. In the case of a cube, there's actually 11 different arrangements that will fold together, but you have to be careful because some of them will not fold together to be a cube. One of the other figures we spoke about was a rectangular prism. And when we think about a rectangular prism, we are going to have 6 rectangles that fold together to make a box, or a rectangular prism. In this case, if I start folding this together, these will fold over and become our top and our sides, and then this will fold up on both ends to become our ends. So these 6 rectangles will fold together to make a rectangular prism. Our other figures here, we have a triangular prism. When we looked at the faces for a triangular prism, we had 2 triangles, and then we had rectangles for the sides. So these will fold together to become our triangular prism. We have the 3 rectangles that fold up to make the sides, and we have the triangles that fold up to make the 2 ends. The other shapes that we have will be a pyramid, and we have one example of a pyramid. This is going to be a square pyramid. Has a square as the base. The sides here are going to fold up. These triangles will fold up to make our pyramid. If we had a triangular pyramid, we would have a triangle in the middle, and we'd have 3 of these sides folding up to make the triangular pyramid. And then the last one we have here is the net that goes together to become a cylinder. And for the cylinder, if we think about the side face or the side of a cylinder, the side of a cylinder actually cuts and unrolls to be this rectangle in the middle, and then we have a circle for the top and a circle for the bottom. And no matter where we orient the circle, we could have the same circles, we could have 2 of them here, we could have 1 here, 1 on this end, but we have to have a circle on this side and a circle on this side, 1 for the top, 1 for the bottom, to form our net. So here are the examples of the nets that we used in class. Once again, we have pyramid, and you have to think of the number of faces that this pyramid would have. This is a square pyramid, 4 sides. Here's our cylinder. Here we have our cube, and we have to have 6 squares arranged in the right format. Here we have our triangular prism, and then down here we have our rectangular prism.